guys, we got a lot of catching up to do. Let me tell you right now, we've got so much to talk about. I'm going to fill you in on a bunch of stuff in this video. This is a bit of a catch-up video. Let's call it that. Road Glide sitting behind me here. Terrible rains here in Sydney. We've had everything going on all the way up the east coast of Australia. So much going on. It's been dampening any tour I want to do. So much to talk about. Let's roll this intro. Check out the new intro, by the way. I've just done this new intro. Let me know what you think, and we're going to get into this chat real quick. Hope you guys are well.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
All aboard!
Well, let me tell you now, things are changing. Sorry, this chair's a bit squeaky. As I said, behind me, 21 CVO Road Glide. Have I been happy with the bike? I love this thing. It's beautiful. But there's a change coming. There's a change coming. This guy behind me, it's on the market. And there's something really, really exciting about to happen. You're going to hear about that real soon. And this one is going to be really, really exciting. Have I loved this? This was my first Road Glide. And let me tell you, someone said to me once, you know, when you buy a Road Glide, you won't go back. Well, I got to say that is true. I've really enjoyed the ride on this bike. It's a beautiful machine. Why am I selling it? Why am I moving this particular bike on? There's two main reasons, actually. Number one, and the first and foremost reason, is I'm not a chrome guy. I've had chrome. I've got chrome now. I've had chrome before. But you know what? Blacked out is me. The darker, the blacker the bike, the better it is for me. That's just a personal taste. The bike is an extension of who you are. I really believe that with motorcycles. It's a feeling thing. You've got to feel it. You've got to be one with the bike. You know, for those of you who understand what I'm saying, you're going to get it. Some of you may have had that before, where you buy a bike, you see it, you love it, you know, and you might ride it for a little while, and it's not exactly who you are. You know, definitely that's this bike for me. It's a beautiful machine. It really doesn't need any commentary, but for me, you know, I'm pretty excited. So this particular one we're going to do a big build on it. I can tell you that much. So I'm going to release some details. You're going to see some videos upcoming on that, and I'm very excited about it. I cannot wait. But for now, this guy's on the market, and we're getting prepped for the new build. There's already a bunch of parts that have started arriving. If I duck my head down, you could probably see some boxes. I don't know if you can see them over the back of the bike there. Maybe not. But I've been sourcing a lot of parts. Dealerships sourcing a lot of parts. There's a lot of stuff going on in the background. And really, I am really excited, genuinely excited about this bike, this new bike. So this new bike has arrived now in Sydney. It was on the boat last week. I think it docked on Wednesday or Thursday of last week. So it's now going to be making its way to the dealership. So I'm hoping it's supposed to be arriving at the dealership this week, some period this week. We've got all the parts coming in. So as I was saying, I've got a bunch of those parts. The dealership has got another bunch of parts. So it's all coming together. And I'm going to take you guys with me on that journey as it you know, as we get it, as it arrives, as we're doing the build. I'm going to try and see what footage I can get, and you guys can enjoy this build with me. It's going to be an exciting one. Very exciting. I can't wait. So I'm going to keep you posted on what's happening, and yeah. So we've got to find this one a new home. And it's pretty much sold anyway, I can say that, but it is available for last grabs before it goes to the dealer. You know, I've got a window there where I'll sell it myself if that happens, and if it doesn't, well, you're going to see this guy in a dealership very soon, and very well taken care of. What do you want me to say? You know all the history of the bike, the reviews there on the channel. You can see what's been done to it. It's an expensive bike. I mean, they're an expensive bike off the shelf, but this guy here's had quite a few upgrades, as you know, from the stage 2 to the PPF wrapping, Been very, very well taken care of. But 3,000 kilometres I think I've done, just a bit over 3,000 kilometres. Did the Crossing State Line series on this bike. That was about the length of the series or the riding that I've done, but it was enough to tell me the Road Glide is for me. Definitely, absolutely love the Road Glide. For me, there is a very big difference. I've been asked by a few people that I've caught up with recently about my experience with the Road Glide versus the Street Glide. But definitely, I can tell a clear difference for me. These guys are a lot lighter to steer, a lot easier to park and manoeuvre. I find that, definitely. Probably the handling too, coming into some bends and some twisties. I find a little bit more manoeuvrability personally with the Road Glide. And, you know, looks are subjective. You know, it's an opinion-based thing, you know, whether you like the batwing or you like the shark nose fairing. For me, you know, I love them both. I really do. I actually do love them both. The shark nose fairing for me probably just gets it a little bit more. It looks a little bit more aggressive, in my opinion. So, yeah. So there's the chat. So, you know, we're 4 months in. It's going to be one of the quicker turnarounds, and it's not to do with the bike. It's to do with me personally. You know, I love this thing. This thing's a show bike. It's absolutely beautiful. You know, I wish I could just leave it sitting in here. I could just look at it every time I came in. You know, I do love the look of that bike. But I got to tell you, for the touring I do, for the style of guy I am, for what my channel's about, it's got to be black. It's got to be a darker colour for me, and you know, that's just how it has to be. So this guy's going to find a new home. Also, before it gets too many kilometres on it. That's the other important thing. You know, this is going to suit a new bike buyer, someone who's looking for a new bike. You know, normally you're going to be upgrading them, even if they're CVOs. You're going to be doing pipes. You might do a stage 2. You know, a lot of people don't wrap bikes. That's fine. I respect that. It's expensive to do that. You know, this one's already done, so all good to go. But yeah, really excited about this bike build. I cannot tell you. I cannot go on about it enough. So let me keep you posted. If you're interested in this bike, you can contact me through bike sales. It is on bike sales at the moment, and it'll probably be up there for the next week, I would say. Yeah, you're welcome to come check it out. I have respectfully asked for, you know, those guys browsing, maybe, you know, leave that for when it's with the dealership, just because of time. So I only really want to talk to people that at this point with this bike that are ready to buy straight away. So if that's you and that's the case, then yeah, definitely get in contact, and happy to have a chat. So yeah, but very, very pumped. I'll keep you posted on what's happening with the new bike and the reveals and all that sort of stuff, and catch you real soon. See you guys.